Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to create dynamic hyperlinks within an email template from a workflow. I'm going to be doing this in my demo web version of CRM 2013. So first thing I'm going to do is just navigate over to the settings area of CRM, and once I'm in the settings, I'm just going to go ahead and navigate over to the processes section. And then from within processes, I'm just going to quickly go ahead and create a new workflow process. The dynamic um, record link only works within your workflows. So you can't go to the email template section and create a dynamic hyperlink from there. It's going to be done from within the workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow based on the lead entity. As always, give the workflow a descriptive name. I'm just going to call this test lead dynamic hyperlink, and I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. Now this video isn't so much on how to create workflows. I've already done a video on that. This is more so how to create the dynamic hyperlink. So I'm just going to go ahead and set the scope of the workflow to organization, and I'll say when the record I'll leave it when the record is created to trigger. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and add my email. There you go, send email, create message, and I'm going to go ahead and set my properties. I'm just going to put in here send and dynamic hyperlink email, and I'm going to go ahead and set the properties. So from within the set properties area, and this is the difference between creating an email template within the workflow and creating an email template within the email templates area. This icon here is missing, and this is the hyperlink icon. So first things first, let me just put in who this email is going to be sent from. I'll say it'll be sent from the owner of the queue, of the record, sorry, and I'll say that the email will go to the lead customer. I'll just put in a short email message here. Okay, so I just put a message saying thank you for your inquiry. Thank you for inquiring about our services. You can access the lead record by clicking on the link below. And now here's where we add our hyperlink. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on insert hyperlink. And first of all, they ask you for what text you'd like to display. Now, you'll notice that the values could be dynamic. So if I wanted to, I could say actually the text I want to display for my hyperlink, silly example, could be address 1 county, or it could be city, or it could be company name. Now what I'm going to go ahead and pick is the topic. So whatever the topic of my lead is, then that's what that's the text that's going to be used for the hyperlink. Secondly, they want the actual URL. And this is actually very straightforward, because if we scroll down the list, this is for the lead record. If we scroll down, then there you have record URL dynamic. So if I was to go ahead and select that and click OK, the system automatically inserts that hyperlink. So what would happen is whenever a lead is created, the system would automatically take the unique ID of the lead and insert it into this particular hyperlink, so that when the email is sent and the employee or the customer clicks on the link, if they have access to CRM, then it will take them directly to that record. So the hyperlink is a great functionality and is a way of pointing someone specifically to a record without them having to navigate through the system first. Thank you.